Hello, everyone. Deb here. Good morning. It should be Sunday morning, 11 Eastern, 10 Central when I put this video up, and that would be January 11th, 2026. And this collaboration, Let's Color on Sundays, replaces the 52 Weeks of Colorspiration that Left-Handed Crafter, aka Brandy, and I were doing last year. Now we do have an additional person, crafts-I-heart. So be sure to check her out too. Everyone will be linked down below. It's just the three of us, but you are more than welcome to play along. Just use the hashtag if you want to be a regular, let us know. We'll add you to the list. Otherwise, if you want to play along, just use the hashtag and let us know that you posted just so we don't miss it. And then we will mention you and, you know, hopefully get people to come over to your channel and see what you've colored also. We are following a theme for each month this year. That's a little different. It's a change to make it, I don't know. But Brandy has said you can color anything you want, but we're following a theme, at least one of those 2 weeks. I'm trying to do both of the weeks in the month that we're coloring with the theme. And January is snow slash winter. Now I have two books that have quite a few pictures in it. This one is all snow, winter, Arctic themed miniatures. Um, and I just did one in December for this, the 21st, I believe it was. Let me see if I can find that one again. I think it's right here. This one I shared, that was for winter solstice. And for that one, I used mostly colored pencil. If you missed that video, go back and see it. That was on 52 Weeks of Colorspiration. This a kitty too, but I did it. I used a Hoo Honolulu alcohol markers. These AN glitter gel pens again, AN art, and also a little bit of Crayola colored pencil. And I think these two black, a brush and a .005 micron black pens, just because sometimes I go over the lines and I had to fix the lines, and a white Jelly Roll pen I can't get out right now. Number 110. Okay? And this is my page. Um, so I used a dark blue background, pale blue. If you want to know any of the colors, names, I kind of scribble them down so I can remember in case I have to go back and use them again. This is washi tape that actually came out of a Nautical because all the snowflakes, I was thinking of using this one, but the color just, it was kind of, no. And I only had one other one, and it was like the green of her eyes, and I just wasn't feeling it with the way I had colored the page. So let's see, I used silver glitter pen on the blades of the sled, two shades of red, white with a pale gray on the kitty, and also white Crayola crayon, which you probably can't see, to try and give her a little more fur look. And I used that white gel pen on this to make it look more bright white compared to the kitty. And I also used an orange crayon on the scarf and hat to make them a little more over the alcohol marker to try and make them look a little more fabricy, which this light is too bright, probably you can't see it. I don't know if you still can see it. And then I did go over the Happy New Year with actually a different shade of orange glitter pen, just um, to outline it, make it have a little sparkle. The stars were in a yellow, and I went over them with a yellow glitter pen. On these pale blue droplets or whatever, I just used, and on these little circles, I used a blue glitter pen, but I only kind of outlined the droplets and I did color in the blue dots, which I kind of wish I hadn't done because they were lighter without the glitter on them. Or maybe I should have used silver. I don't know. And then I did use some yellow where they had the streaks with the stars. Some of them I use that. Um, and then I just used the washi out of the nautical thing. I was panicking because I thought I had more snowflake stickers, and at first all I found was these envelope seal ones, and I thought, well, I'll put them on because it helped cover up the seam, except they weren't sticking, so then I had to glue them and everything got all sticky. And then I have another bin with mostly my papers in for winter, and in that I found these, which I think were from Target years ago. So they came in white and like that color of her eyes. So I just used the white ones to add a little something something because I did not want to color all this in. So I just kind of framed it in a color similar to the background. I mean, the embellishments are okay. Anyway, that's my page. Be sure to go check out Brandy at Left Handed Crafter and Crafts I Heart. They will be linked down below, like I said before. And we will be back in 2 weeks, whatever that date is. Let's see, 11 plus 14, or the 20, around the 25th or something. I don't have, well, let me pull my planner up. Let me see. Yes, 25th, same time. So, yep. So be sure to come back then. I'll be on probably with another video on Sunday. I'm recording this actually on Saturday. I dated it the 11th, but I actually covered it on the 10th and recorded on the 10th and scheduled it for upload. But I'm going to be doing an open collab. I might combine two open collabs for a video tomorrow. So that I'll probably post that in the afternoon. Um, I might do it in the morning and post it in the afternoon. So you have one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And I hope you have a great weekend. It's going to be a washout here today. It hasn't, I don't think it's started yet. If it is, it's a light rain so far, but it's warmer, so it's going to be mostly rain until about 11 p.m. and then it's supposed to be wintry mix. But it's supposed to stop, and tomorrow is supposed to be cooler but clear. So, yay. Might have to walk tomorrow. Should walk tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling. Have a great Sunday. Have a great week ahead, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Deb out.